Classroom. Today we discuss about force. It is the class 10 chapter of ICSC. Before starting, please subscribe our channel and share it. We take this chapter in two parts. Today we discuss about force, and second part we discuss about numerical problem and some question about the chapter. Now, force. What is force? Force is defined as that physical cause which changes or tends to change the dimension or the state of uniform motion of a body. The force tries to change or change the dimension of state and change of rest or state of uniform motion of the body. Now, the effect of force. A force can bring change in dimensions, that is length, area or volume. How? When force is applied on a non-rigid body, it is not free to move. It changes the size or shape of the body. For example, loading a spring increases length, or steam push out from a pressure cooker, it occupies a large volume, so it change the dimension. Now, a force can start or stop the motion. When a force is applied on a rigid body at rest which is free to move, it began to move in the direction of force. Similarly, a moving rigid body can be stopped. For example, in football match, a ball lying on the ground move when kicked. Similarly, in cricket match, a fielder stops a moving ball by applying force with his hand. Now, in these 2 points, we get two terms. One is non-rigid body and second is rigid body. Now, third effect of force. A force can change the speed or direction of the motion or both. When a force is applied to a moving body in the direction of motion, its speed increases. But if force is applied in opposite direction of the motion, it makes body to slow down or stop completely. And if the force applied in form of different direction, it changes the direction or the speed of the moving body. For example, when a hockey player applying force on a hockey stick, it changes the speed or direction of the ball. And similarly, a speed of moving vehicle is slowed down by applying brakes and it stopped. Now we are talking about Newton's laws of motion. Newton states 3 laws of motion. First law, a body continue to be in its state of rest or in uniform motion in a straight line unless a force is applied to it. If force not applied, rest body is always in rest and moving body always move in straight line without changes speed. Now, second law. To every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. That is, every action has equal and opposite reaction. Now, in second law, we take a term momentum. Before talking about momentum, now relation between force, mass and acceleration. Force equal to mass into acceleration. That is, F equal to ma. We prove it after some time. Let's momentum. The total quantity of motion contained in a body is known as momentum. So momentum is key. Momentum is the product of mass and velocity. Momentum is the product of mass and velocity. It is a vector quantity and it is denoted by P. So P is equal to mv. Here m is mass and v is velocity. Now we prove F equal to ma. Let's a body of mass m moving with initial velocity u, then F force is applied on it 40 times, then the final velocity of the body is v. So therefore initial momentum p1 equal to mu and final momentum p2 equal to mv. So change in momentum equal to mv minus mu. Therefore rate of change of momentum, that is force, equal to mv minus mu by t. We know force equal to rate of change of momentum. So rate of change of momentum is mv minus mu by t. So F equal to mv minus mu by t. We take common m. So F equal to m into v minus u by t. V minus u by t, that is the change in velocity. So it is the acceleration. So F equal to ma, that mass into acceleration. Now the unit of force. Now unit of force. SI unit of force is Newton. What is Newton? 1 Newton is the force which produce an acceleration of 1 meter per second square in a body of mass 1 kg. That is 1 Newton equal to 1 kg into 1 meter per second square. Dyne. It is the CGS unit of force. 1 dyne is defined as that force which produce an acceleration of 1 semi per second square in a body of mass 1 gram. That is 1 dyne equal to 1 gram into 1 semi per second square. Now we take a relation between Newton and dyne. 1 Newton equal to 1 kg into 1 meter per second square. That is 1 kg equal to 1000 gram and 1 meter equal to 100 semi per second square. So 1000 into 100, that is 10 to the power 5 gram semi per second square. So 1 Newton equal to 10 to the power 5 dyne. Now gravitational force, a unit of force. The force which produce an acceleration equal to that of gravity in a body of unit mass is called gravitational unit of force. In CGS system it is gram force and SI or MK system it is kilogram force. The average value of acceleration due to gravity on surface of the earth is 980 semi per second square or 9.8 meter per second square. Now force due to gravity. The force of attraction extended by earth on the objects lying on or near its surface is called force of gravity. That means earth extend the force on the object is called force of gravity. The force of gravity is directly proportional to the mass of the given object. That is, larger mass has larger force of gravity and smaller mass has smaller force of gravity. Now what is the mass and weight? Mass, the quantity of matter contained in a body is known as its mass. And weight, weight of a body is the force with which it is attracted towards the center of earth. The SI unit of mass is kg and SI unit of weight is Newton. The relation between weight and mass is W equal to mg. It is very important formula for numerical problem. Difference between mass and weight. Mass, it is the quantity of matter contained in a body, and weight is the force which a body is attracted towards the center of earth. Mass is the constant quantity, but weight changes place to place due to change in acceleration or value of g. Mass is a scalar quantity, but weight is a vector quantity. Unit of mass is kg, but unit of weight is Newton. Mass is measured by beam balance, but weight is measured by spring balance. Now our today's chapter is now closed, but in next video we talking about numerical problem and some short question about the chapter.